So now we're gonna perform on remote desktop configuration using VMware Workstation. So now mag-create tag new virtual machine. So iset na to yung name, then ang password. Then after that, click next, then next, then finish. So mag-wait lang ta until mahuman siya o create. Then afterward, i-install na to ang Windows Server 2008 nga Enterprise. Then after that, mag-wait lang ta nga mahuman na to og install. So, after ma-install, add ito sa server manager, then roles, then mag-add og roles, then click next, then i-click na to ang remote desktop services, then next, then i-click na sa to ang remote desktop session host, then next. Then i-check ang do not require, then next, dayon next, then install. Then, after ma-install, we're gonna restart. Then after that, mag-wait lang ta for a moment. So i-press na to ang Ctrl Alt Delete, then i-enter na to ang username, then ang password, then as you can see, naka-successful tag login. So, close na ninyo. Then, close na. And then, add to ta sa CMD. Then, i-type na to ipconfig. So, as we can see, ang makita to yung IP address. So, nga 192.168.199.129. So, add to ta sa desktop sa to ang laptop. Then, type remote desktop connection. Then, i-type na to tong duha ka backslash, then ang katong IP address ganina nga 192.168.199.129. Then, connect. Then, after that, i-enter na to ang username, which is admin, then ang password niya. Then, after that, click OK. So, then click yes. So, as we can see na remote na nato ang inyong desktop. So, mag-try tag create og new folder, then ingala na nato Inokya. Then, i-X na to. Stop, I disconnected. Then, balik na sa VMware. Then, i-press na to ang Ctrl Alt Delete. Once again, press na to ang Ctrl Alt Delete. Then, ilagin balik ang username, which is admin, then ang iyang password. Then, after that, nakita na nato ang katong desktop. So, as you can see, nakita na to ang katong new folder na atong gi-create o ang CMD kung unsay naa sa desktop. So, that's it.